Hello students, today we are going to study limitations of octet rule. There are certain molecules whose central atom is having less than 8 electrons. देखो, for example BCl3, BeCl2 etc. तो देखो ये Be, right? Its atomic number is 4. BeCl2 barium atomic number 4, so configuration becomes 2 2. और क्लोरीन एटॉमिक नंबर 17, कॉन्फ्लिगेशन 2 8 7. तो इसका भी Cl2 है तो Cl2 will become configuration 2 8 7, right? So we will show by dot structure 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this is one is of 7 क्लोरीन. और ये क्लोरीन के 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 7 and beryllium 2 1 or 2. How it will complete its octet? By sharing one electron. Beryllium will share and chlorine will share, and in that way they will form a complete structure and chlorine will complete its octet. And beryllium केस में क्या हो रहा है? 2 electrons and 2 electrons. It is less than 8 electrons. So it is limitations for certain molecules. ये limitation हो गई. There are certain molecules in which they are having more than 8 electrons. That is SF6. ये देखो S 3 4 5 6 SF6 का ये स्ट्रक्चर होता है. S सल्फर का 16 एटॉमिक नंबर, तो कॉन्फ्लिगेशन होगा 2 8 6 6. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिखाने हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिखाए. फ्लोरीन है तो एटॉमिक नंबर 9 2 7, तो यहाँ पे 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दिखाए 2 4 5 6 7. उसी तरीके से सारे फ्लोरीन के लिए. तो ये सल्फर के केस में क्या हो रहा है? चलो, फ्लोरीन 7 और यहाँ से एक शेयर किया सल्फर के पास, तो फ्लोरीन ने तो अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट किया. लेकिन सल्फर, हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर? 6. ऑलरेडी इट इज हैविंग 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 and it is sharing another 6 electron, means became 12. So it is having more than 8 electrons and so it is another limitation. The odd electron molecule is not able to complete its octet. NO है तो यहाँ पे 2 3 4 and 5. So they are not able to complete its octet. 5 6 7. Total it should be 8, but it is not completing its octet. But oxygen is completing. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oxygen ने अपना octet complete किया. Nitrogen having an odd electron and so it is not able to complete its octet. Drawbacks of octet rule. According to octet rule, atoms are attending the electronic configuration of inert gas to attain the stability, but its inert gas is involved in chemical reaction and forms XeF2, XeF4, XeF6. ये समझ में आया कि octet rule are attaining electronic configuration of inert gas to attain the stability. ये octet rule का है वर्क की electronic configuration, inert gas and stability. But what the inert gas is involved, they are also forming an chemical reaction, occurred involved in chemical reaction as XeF2, XeF4, XeF6. Another drawback is it is not discussing the shape of the molecule, how the molecule shape is. It is not explaining the energy of the molecule. It never discusses the stability of the molecule. These are the drawbacks of the octet rule. Now another is formation of ionic compound. Ionic compound is formed between metal and non-metals. To create positive charge on metal, it has to lose an electron. How the ionic compound becomes? It has to lose an electron. The process of removing electron from metal is known as ionization. ठीक है? The ionization enthalpy is playing a vital role in to select a suitable metal to form a ionic compound. ये चीज़ आपको पता ही है. मेटल है M+2 है it will lose an electron to become stable. That is, to form an ionic compound. The non-metal should have a negative charge on it. The negative charge is created on non-metals by gaining an electron. Non-metals, what they will do? It will gain an electron and create a negative charge. The enthalpy is changed during addition of an electron to isolated gaseous atom is known as electron gain enthalpy. What it is? Gaining of electron, and we are creating a negative charge. That is electron gain enthalpy. मीन्स ये किस टाइप का रिएक्शन है? रिड्यूसिंग बोल सकते हैं, गेनिंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज लूजिंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. ऑक्सीडेशन टाइप reaction. When M plus and X minus is combining, it gives ionic compound. M plus X minus creating ionic compound. M plus X minus. Note: to form an ionic compound, those metal is selected which is having less ionization. Right? To form an ionic compound, those metal is selected which is having less ionization. Those non-metal will get selected to form ionic compound whose electron gain enthalpy is more negative magnitude. This is simple note you have to keep in mind. Next time we will start bond parameter. Okay, thank you.